Colin Oates has two excellent Kosoto Garis, which he uses against same stance opponents. The first is his sticky foot variation. He says that sticky foot Kosoto Gari is particularly useful against opponents who adopt an extreme stance. It works on the basis of trapping your opponent in their movement as they try to escape from you. The idea is to get a reaction from your opponent by drawing them onto you. Their natural instinct is to pull away, and as they do, they create momentum in the opposite direction, which is then chased down and used to your advantage. Sticky foot means that you catch your opponent's foot with yours, maintaining contact as you hop them off balance, as opposed to the reaping action of a classical Kosoto Gari. Against opponents who are left-handed but come out right leg forward, Oates uses a bear hug Kosoto Gari. He does this by pulling them through into a permanent right stance, which forces a reaction and the opportunity to throw. The pull-through is a cross-grip on the sleeve, but it's the big step that comes at the same time as the opponent pulls back that makes this technique a success. Next up, Oates will break down and teach you everything you need to know about these two beautiful variations of Kosoto Gari.